Today we're going to talk about practical life activities that we normally have here in our Montessori school. These activities help children gain confidence and independence while developing very important skills that helps them with future writing, strengthening their muscles and hand-to-eye coordination. So, this is one example you could do at home while we're in lockdown. You just need a whisk and a bowl with some washing up liquid and a bit of water. Normally we have activities in trays like this one, so the children can carry them to the table where they want to use them, and when they're finished they can put them away. So it's very simple. It's just making bubbles. Children will really enjoy this, and they'll develop great skill and great ability while strengthening their wrist and finger muscles. So, one for you to have a go at home, and we'll show you more later. Thank you.